Hey guys, it's me Frederick. I'm back here with another video straight out of room 72, baby. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, so it's 1:30 a.m. I'm waiting for the sound studio. I have it booked at fucking 2 a.m. So I thought I might just record something. And you know, a lot of you people seem to like my stuff. Why? I cannot tell you. I don't know. I don't like my stuff. I make bad stuff. But yeah, sure. I'll give you some more, I guess. I was gonna record some stuff, so I started looking for my tripod. But I think Paul stole my tripod. Paul is my roommate, so he is a thief with access, I guess. That makes it a lot easier. Can't find his camera, so I guess he's out making some shit at 1:30. So, well, I guess I'll just put it up against my shirt over here so that I can fuck Jesus fucking shit. Oh my god, come on, let's just work with me here. Yes, great angle. Now I can sit here and do great stuff. This is what I like to call the disappointing episode, since you all seem to want more. More of what, you might say. Yes, that is exactly my question. What am I even doing right now? And what was I even doing? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Last time I had some, I was literally like trapped in here with myself. My own worst enemy. This is my 5th Red Bull today. I feel great. I can go out if I want, but I gotta just fucking wait for this fucking sound studio to be available, so I can fucking make a course production film for some of you fuckers out there. Shout out Gustav. I'm bored. Oh shit. I didn't know I could do that. No, don't run out of battery now. How can anyone fucking masturbate to this? This was a big mistake. $3,001, 3002, 3004, 3003. Fuck. It's not the same, man. It's not the same. Yeah, baby, listen, you have to keep the distance, follow the rules and pray to the systems. Smells like fucking shit in here. I guess I can show you guys. I guess I can show you guys my shoes. I have a pair of Converse. Oh wait, that's Paul's. A pair of Converse All Stars here, regular and black. Those, I like those. Pair of Converse All Stars in black leather. I like those. Pair of Converse All Stars here in white. It's the Comme des Garçons collaboration thing. I like those. Pair of Converse All Stars here in white. These are fucking weird, but I kind of like them, bro. Got some dumbass workout shoes here. Oh yeah, fun fact about me, I actually work out, believe it or not. I get it if you don't believe it. It's not even plugged in. I already did the music bit one time on a speaker. This would be stupid. I'm not an idiot.
Shout out Liv and Baxter for making me into Elijah Wood as Frodo Baggins. I like this picture very much. Thank you guys. Shout out. So yeah, it's now 1:34. So that was 4 minutes well spent. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna fucking. What am I gonna do? I mean, I get it if you don't like me and stuff, especially now. I mean, but I actually think what I write in the EFC group chat is at least somewhat funny. But I wouldn't say that I get that you don't share that opinion, but I am aware that people don't think it is funny. And I've heard rumors that some people even hate me. So, you know, yeah, what's that quote about the haters? Like, haters. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Well, yeah, hopefully I can find my tripod. This could be some good videos. Hopefully I can actually come up with some ideas for things. Oh, it's wet out here in the shower. I stepped in wet. Oh, my night is ruined. But by all means, if you wanna make like a thingy with me, just like fucking reach out, dog. I am open to whatever, and I'm not very creative. So if you find me useful as a tool, by all means use me.